Today we are going to start and finish a project, so we're going to have to work pretty quickly. We're going to make an heart art, and we're going to use warm colors and cool colors. The warm colors are red, orange, and yellow. Those are colors that make us think of hot or warm things. And the cool colors are green, blue, and purple. So if you look at a color wheel, it looks like it could cut in half. And this side is what kind of colors? Yeah, say them with me. Red, orange, yellow. This side of the color wheel are what kind of colors? Cold. All right, say them with me. Green, blue, purple. Good. So we're going to want to keep that in mind while we're working. Now, when you get to your seat, the first thing you're going to do is get from your tray a white piece of paper, and I need to write my name and my class code on here, and then I flip it over. Okay. After you do that, now you're ready to reach onto your tray, and you are going to grab a heart tracer. You want to lay that right in the middle of the paper the best that you can, and we're going to trace around here. And then we can put our heart tracer back. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make something called organic lines. Everybody say organic lines. So organic lines are sort of the opposite of a straight line. They're sort of loop-de-loo lines, sort of like a roller coaster. So we're going to pretend our pencil is a roller coaster, and we're going to make about 3 or 4 loop-de-loo lines. So I'm going to go. So that's one roller coaster line. Did I scribble? No, I took my time with my loop-de-loos. Maybe I'll make another one. And I think I need one more. This one's going to go a big hill. Now, do you see how it sort of make like pieces of a puzzle? Okay, so we are going to put all of the warm colors, reds, oranges, and yellows on the inside. And we're going to put all the cool colors, greens, blues, and purples, on anything that is outside of this heart. So I'm going to take my paintbrush and I'm going to dip in some water because we are using the tempera cakes. So they need a little bit of water to get ready to go. Now, which colors did I say I'm going to put on the inside? Warms. Okay, so I need a red, an orange, or a yellow. I'm going to start with some yellow, and I'm going to tickle, 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 tickle. Oh, it looks like I got a little black on my brush. I'm going to go back and rinse that brush off. Somebody did not do a great job of rinsing that brush off last time. All right, now I'll tickle, 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 tickle some yellow. Okay, and I'm going to treat this like I'm coloring in pieces of a puzzle. So I might color this piece yellow, maybe this piece yellow, maybe this piece yellow. I'm going to try not to put any yellow right beside another yellow if I can. Maybe this little piece up here could be yellow. Maybe this little piece right here. Now I'm ready to switch colors, so I'll go into my water and I'll make sure my brush is really well clean. Then I'll go to some orange. Try not to leave any white spaces. If we have nice, smooth brush strokes, we won't have any white spaces and our painting will look really good. If I need a little more water, I can just dip in the water, get another tickle. I've got one more space left, so what color do I need to put there? Good job. So I'll go ahead and rinse my brush. Some red. this in. Okay, now I'm ready for my background. And what colors am I using on my background? Okay, so I need green, blue, and purple. I'll start with some green. Pick a space, paint it in. Maybe I'll do another little space right here. Okay. Now I'm going to switch over to blue. And last but not least, what color do I need? And then I'm almost going to be done, but I'm going to have one more step to really make this painting look very cool, and that's going to be to outline the lines that I drew with some black paint. So I am going to be done with this Mr. Big Brush. I'm going to go ahead and rinse him really well, and I'm going to lay him down, and on your tray, you're going to switch over to the small tray, which has a little cup of black paint and a much smaller brush that looks like this. Okay, we're going to dip right in here. We're going to outline our heart. Oh yeah, that's looking good, isn't it? Then, if you want to outline your loop-de-loo lines, you can do that too. I think that's really going to make it look good. When you outline your lines, just think about you're on the ride and you're swooshing around with a nice, smooth brush stroke. Oh, that is beautiful, isn't it? All right. So when you get to this point, you're all done. You can take it to the drying rack and clean up your area and wash your hands.